Oh, hello, this is Tak from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. One of my friends once told me that the best type of cooking is that he can cook something in less than 5 minutes. I could not agree with him more on this. Actually, my fast cooking system is designed to achieve this. But that doesn't mean that the dish has to be simple. In this case, I'm going to show you an egg dish that could be cooked in less than 3 minutes, but it has actually 4 different ingredients. I'm anxious to show you how this actually works. So let's go into the kitchen and get started. I'm going to cook this dish in my Imusa 14-inch light cast iron wok. I just previously boiled some spaghetti in this wok, so as you can tell, the wok is not well seasoned at all. To cook this dish, the wok has to be well seasoned to prevent the eggs from stick to the wok. I use my spot seasoning method to season the wok, and I let the oil to heat up really well. If you are not familiar with this seasoning method, you can take a look at this video. I cooked this dish the other night for my wife and I. We came home rather late, and we just want to have something really quick. This dish is known as Fuyang egg. It is actually a cross between egg omelette and scrambled egg. The strong point of this template is that it is very flexible and you can add almost any ingredients that you want. Anything that can be cooked very quickly. In this case, I add some chopped portobello mushroom. Next, I'm going to add some Roma tomatoes. Now, both the tomatoes and the mushroom can be cooked very quickly. Since I have both of them prepped in advance, so it takes only very little time. After I add the tomatoes to the egg, I decided that they are maybe a little bit too big. Not a problem. I found myself a pair of scissors, so I cut them down to the size that I want. And next, I fold the egg over the mushroom and the tomato just I would with an omelette. However, I don't have to worry to have everything enclosed inside the egg. I next season the egg with some mushroom seasoning, followed by some lemon pepper and some paprika. I use my masala dabba, which is very convenient because I have everything right there in front of me. Finally, I garnish the dish with some scallions. This is where the flavor chasing aspect of my fast cooking system comes into play. By having the masala dabba, I'm able to season the dish in many different ways. In fact, I season this dish almost differently every time when I cook. For example, sometimes instead of putting in paprika, I will put in cumin or ginger powder instead. This cooking method also allows you to adjust the texture of the egg. If you like to have them taste more like scrambled egg, then you will stir the egg more often. So here you can see the 4 attributes of my fast cooking system, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. The beauty of this dish that it is cooked based on a template. You can cook this dish in many different ways by substituting the ingredients. Once you have gained a basic understanding of the template, you will be able to create various versions of this dish. For example, you can substitute the tomatoes with a frozen vegetable mix. Or you can substitute the portobello mushroom with white button mushroom. If you like to have meat in this dish, you can add shrimp. Or you can add chicken as well. But in this case, you have to pre-cook the chicken and the shrimp in advance. You can also season the dish in many different ways, such as adding parmesan cheese or use sriracha sauce or oyster sauce. There is almost no limit of what you could do with this dish. I would strongly recommend you to give this template a try. You can put almost anything that you would like. Let's see whatever you have in the refrigerator. But make sure that you have the wok well seasoned. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.